Here we are, the last page of the 4.3 journal. We finished at the end of page 2 on the other one. For 9 and 10, find your slope. The way we did in the earlier problems, you can use the points or you can count it out. And then you're going to do the same thing we do with the slopes down here. I'm going to work on number 12. You can think of these as x1, y1, x2, y2. You could always graph these also and get the slopes and count them out. The slope of line A. So that's m, slope, subscript A, y2 minus y1. That's -1 minus a -4 over -1 minus a -2 plus a positive. That's going to give me 3 over 1. So the slope of line A is equal to 3. Let's do this in a different color. Slope of line B. 2 minus -4 over 1 minus -1 plus a positive on my keep change. 6 over 2, so the slope of line B is 3. Hey, A and B are parallel. Let's see what's up with C. Slope of line C, I've got 2 minus 3 over 4 minus 2. That gives me -1 over 2. That's -1/2. That's not going to be it. Again, if I have a slope of, that's not going to be a perpendicular 3. The opposite would be -3. The reciprocal would be -1 over 3, not -1 over 2. So on this one, we've got, whoops, not measure. A is parallel to B. There it is in our answer key right there. So these other ones, you get the slopes up here. You just get the slope a little bit different. You still analyze it the same way. Same thing down here on 13 and 14. Most of these look pretty easy to get into y-intercept form. Here's your, you can see the slope of line A here is 3/4. On this one, divide by -3, divide by -3, divide by -3. I get y equals -4/3 x minus plus 1. Negative over negative is positive. So the slope of line B is -4 over 3. I can see that's perpendicular to line A. 3/4. That would go into -3/4. I gotta write bigger for you guys, sorry. I'm not doing a good job of that. -3/4, that would be my opposite, and then my reciprocal would be -4 over 3, which is that number right there. And then again, you can divide by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4. Y equals -3/4 x plus 9 over 4. Don't worry about that. Slope of line C is -3/4. So I've got my perpendicular. That's -4/3. A is perpendicular to B. I got a couple of those to choose from over there, and keep it going like that. So the last here, write an equation of a line. Writing of the equation of a line is a big thing. Okay, let's do the second one. So these are scrambled answers over here. Ooh, that was kind of cool. Divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2, y equals 2x minus 3 over 2. I need that because I need to get my slope. That's going to be 2. I need a perpendicular line. So 2, my opposite is -2. My reciprocal -1/2. So my perpendicular slope is negative 1/2. That's the slope I'm going to use in everything. Y, we're using again that y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Plug everything in, get it in slope-intercept form. There's my x1 and my y1. Y minus 1 equals negative 1/2 x minus, what is it here? 3. Okay, distribute. Y minus 1 equals negative 1/2 x plus 3. Whoops, not plus 3, plus 3 over 2. Negative times negative is positive. We got that. Then I'm going to add 1. I'm going to add 1. Well, remember 1 is just 2 over 2. So that's going to give me 5 over 2. Y equals negative 1/2 x plus 5/2. There's that answer right there. I'd let you guys solve the easier one for 15. Writing equations, big deal. Pay attention to this. Get those slopes right.